Hello everyone, welcome back to Desi USA Living channel and this is Sukanya. Today we are going to see how to make prawn curry in clay pot. So the ingredients are prawn half a kg or 1 pound, bay leaves 3, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 3 numbers of cloves, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 tomato finely chopped, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, red chili or paprika powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 2 teaspoons, and black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, and finally salt and oil as needed. You can add coriander or onion leaves for the decor. So first thing, we have to clean the prawn. I got the frozen prawn from Safeway. So it's already partially cleaned. That means they have removed the prawn's intestine already. I'm going to peel off the skin from the prawn. So do this for all the prawns you have. Heat the clay pot. Once it is ready, add few tablespoons of oil. Then add bay leaves, cinnamon sticks and clove to the oil and saute it. Then add the ginger garlic paste to it. So again saute it till the smell goes away. Then add the finely chopped onion and saute it for a minute. Once the onion is turned brown in color, then add the finely chopped tomato to it. So cook the tomato until it is done. It may take a minute or two. Once the mixture is cooked well, add the powders, which is the turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder and salt as needed. So give them couple of minutes fry. Then add the peeled prawn to it and cook for about 5 minutes. Once the prawn is looking yummy and cooked, you can transfer it to a container and garnish it with onion leaves and coriander. So our tasty yummy prawn is ready and it has been cooked in the clay pot, which makes it very special. So thanks for watching the video. Please like, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe Desi USA Living channel. Thank you. Bye bye.